Okay, welcome back children. We will start with exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. We have to complete the table, the last column of the table. Exercise 4.1. Question number 1, we have to complete the table. So we are doing it in copy only, completing the table. So first one, x plus 3 is equal to 0 for x is equal to 3. We have to answer whether it is yes or no. So, from here we find out if x is equal to 3. If this column is equal to this column, okay, then answer is yes, otherwise answer is no. तो यहाँ से हमको x की वैल्यू पता लगानी है, that means we need to find out the value of x. For this we need to remove this 3 from here. Okay, now this 3 will be shifted to RHS, so it is plus, its sign changes, it becomes minus. Or you can say, if you want to remove this 3, you minus 3 from here. Now if you are minusing 3 from here, you will have to minus 3 from here also. So x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 minus 3, that is x. This becomes 0 is equal to minus 3. Answers are matching? No, answers are not matching. You can circle like this. This shows that answers are not matching, so it's a no. Okay, so this is the first one. Then second one, x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0, where x is equal to 0. So if you see here, x plus 3, then the value of x you will get as minus 3. So if you write minus 3 here and x is equal to 0, again your answers are not matching. So directly you can write what? No. From question number 1. Yes, if we see question number 1, we can say that this will not be, this column is not equal to this column. The first column is not equal to the second column. That means answer is no. Because in first one, the value of x is minus 3. This is the same equation. You can see the equation is same. X plus 3, x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. Now you can see here. If you solve, x will become minus 3 only. Yes? So it is yes. If you see number 1, yes. So x is equal to minus 3. You can say that answer is matching. Answers are same. So it's a yes. The third column is yes. You can write answer is equal to yes. If you want, you can write answer here also. Answer here also. Then x minus 7 is equal to 1 and x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. So let's see. This 7 will be shifted here. So x minus 7 will become what? Plus 7. So x is equal to 1 plus 7. So x is equal to 8. You can see answers are not matching. So no. Fifth is the same. X minus 7 is equal to 1, where x is equal to 8. Answer is yes here. Yeah? If you see, if you compare with the fourth one, the value of x will be 8 and here already it is written 8. So you can write from fourth one, we can say that answer is yes. Sixth one. minus 6. So, if this 3 is shifted here, it is in division, it will become multiplication. So, m is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. Answers are not matching, you can see. This is 6, this is minus 6. So, it's a no. Then 10th one, same it is. M is equal to 0. So, from 9th, answers will not match. So, values will not match. So, again it's a no. From 9th again, answers will match, values will match. So you can write from 9, it will be a yes. This completes question number 1. Now we are starting with question number 2. Also in copy. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. So, A. This is the equation. This is the bracket. That means if you put the value of n as 1, your left hand side should be equal to right hand side. If left hand side is equal to right hand side, then answer is yes. That means this value is correct. Otherwise, answer is no. So let's see. LHS n plus 1, that is, sorry, n plus 5. That is 1 plus 5, which is equal to 6. And RHS is 19. LHS is not equal to RHS, you can see. So you will write what? LHS is not equal to RHS. So answer is what? No. Answer is no. Starting with B. (7n plus 5 is equal to 19. N is equal to minus 2. That means if we put the value of n minus 2, then LHS should be equal to RHS. So LHS 7n plus 5, that means 7 into minus 2 plus 5. That means 7 2s are 14, minus 14 plus 5 plus minus. क्या होगा? Minus. That means we will subtract 14 and 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. Now, which number is greater? 14 or 5? 14 is greater. It has a negative sign. So, answer will also have a negative sign. Now, what is RHS here? Are they matching? No. So, LHS is not equal to RHS. So, answer is no. This completes B. Now, we will start C. What is C? 7n. Subject 19. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. N is equal to 2. That means if we put the value of n as 2, LHS should be equal to RHS. So first let's solve the LHS, that is the left hand side, by putting the value D. 4p minus 3 is equal to 13, where p should be equal to 1. Yes. So that means now we will put the value of p as 1. So LHS is equal to 4p minus 3, that is 4 into p. P ka value is 1 minus 3. So 4 ones are 4 minus 3 will give you 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Who is greater, 4 or 3? 4 is greater, 4 is positive. So answer is positive. Let's check what is RHS. RHS is 30. We see here that LHS is not equal to RHS. So the answer is no. This completes D. Now we have to start E. We have to start E. 4p minus 3. 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. Is equal to 13, where value of p is minus 4. Let me once again check the value of p is minus 4. It is correct. Now that means the value of p we will put as minus 4 in LHS and check whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. 4 4s are 16, minus 16, minus 3. Minus minus becomes plus, so 16 plus 3 is 9 and 16 is greater than 3. It has negative sign. 19, sorry. And 16 plus 3 is 19. Okay, minus minus becomes plus, so we are going to add 16 plus 3 is 19 and 16 has a negative sign and it is greater. So you can say that answer will also be negative, or you can also say that both are negative. So obvious answer will be negative, but the operation will be positive. Operation will be positive means इन दोनों के बीच में जो भी हुआ है वो addition हुआ है. Answer will be what? Operation will be addition. So this is your LHS. Going to the RHS is 13. Again you see LHS is not equal to RHS. So answer is what? It is a no. You will try F. F will be your homework. There is F in this question. Okay? Then you have to put the value of P as 0. Now, next question. Question number 3. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. Trial and error method. Okay, so let me write the question, then let me explain you what is trial and error method. Okay, this will not come in your exam, children, trial and error method, because this is not so important method, though in fact it's a lengthy method. Okay, I will say that it's a lengthy method. So I'm going to just explain you 2 sums of this, then rest of the sums whatever they come, we are going to directly find the value of x or y or z or whatever variable is given in the question. Okay, so now trial and error method. Let's talk about trial and error method. Trial मतलब try करते रहो. Error जब तक error खत्म नहीं हो जाता तब तक आप ट्राई करते रहो. एरर मतलब जब तक आपका क्वेश्चन गलत है तब तक आप ट्राई करते रहो करते रहो करते रहो. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? दैट मीन्स you have to find the value of p to satisfy your equation. Satisfy your equation means left hand side has to be इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड, मतलब आपको ऐसा सोल्यूशन लाना है जहां पे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड के बराबर होगा. सो द वैल्यू of p we have to find through the trial and error method. So what is the smallest natural number? We will start from that. That is 1. So we will take the value of p as 1 and we will find out whether LHS is equal to RHS. So we will write taking p is equal to 1 LHS. p into 1 plus 2. 5 ones are 5. Yeah. No, this is 17. 5 ones are 5. 6, 7. Is the answer matching? No. Yes, that means ये try किया पर error आ गया. अब हम दूसरा try करेंगे. That is taking p is equal to 2. Next number is 2. LHS. 5 into 2, p की जगह पे हम 2 डाल देंगे plus 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Match किया? नहीं. So we tried but again error. So now we take the next number. What should be the next number according to you? 3. So taking p is equal to 3. LHS. 5 into 3 plus 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 gives us 17. Is it equal to RHS? Yes. LHS is equal to RHS. RHS is equal to 17. So LHS is equal to RHS. That means from the trial and error method, we found that p is equal to 3. Got it? Now suppose if the value of p is 30, that means you will have to start from 1 and you will have to go till 30. Yes or no? That means what? That means you will have to solve this sum in 5 pages. Got it? So this method is interesting, okay, but it is lengthy. That's why we don't use this method generally. Got it? So this completes A. Now we start B. 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. So let's start again the trial and error method. Method. So taking m is equal to 1. A variable is m, so we will take m. We won't take p. Taking m is equal to 1. So LHS. What should be your LHS? 3 into 1 minus 14. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 14. That means 14 minus 3 gives you 11. Okay. Who is greater? 3 or 14? Obviously 14 is greater. It is a negative sign. So answer is negative. Now can you see? Answer is matching? No. So we need to again try with another number. Taking m is equal to 2. So taking m is equal to 2. LHS 3 into 2 minus 14. 3 into 2 minus 3. सही जा रहे हैं ना. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 14. 6 minus 14 is 8. That is minus 8. Got it? Still, we have to use another number now. M is equal to 3. 3 into 3 minus 14. 9 minus 14, which is equal to minus 5. Now, taking So now taking m is equal to 5. LHS 3 into 5 minus 14. 3 5s are 15 minus 14. Here you see. Here you got this number bigger. So now answer is positive. But still it is not matching. Taking m is equal to 6. Now the answer is matching. LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. That means for the value of m 6, this equation is correct. Got it? So this completes question number 3. Rest we will do today. This will be entered on Friday. So whatever now we will do, we'll do it on Monday now. Okay then. See you.